Check out this 2022 Ram 1500 TRX 4x4 Crew Cab 5 feet 7 inches box. This vehicle has no miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 10 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 14 on the highway. This vehicle boasts a 6.2-liter 8-cylinder engine, and has 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with dual-zone climate control, tinted windows, climate control, air conditioning, memory seat position. Call us or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.